Top 3 Weight Loss Recipes, Natural Remedies that Actually Work. Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to place for natural remedies and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into the top 3 weight loss recipes that are 100% natural, easy to make, and can help you reach your fitness goals without fad diets or harsh chemicals. 1 Morning Fat-Burning Drink. Let's kick it off with a simple drink you can make every morning to boost metabolism, the Lemon Ginger Metabolism Booster. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients in warm water. 2. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach. Benefits: lemon detoxifies, ginger fights inflammation, and cayenne boosts thermogenesis, your body's natural fat-burning process. 2. Belly Fat Busting Smoothie. Next up, the Green Fat Burner Smoothie. Perfect as a light breakfast or snack. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 green apple, 1/2 cucumber, juice of 1/2 lime, 1 cup water or coconut water, a few mint leaves, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. Blend everything until smooth. 2. Drink fresh, best in the morning or before a workout. Benefits: packed with fiber, antioxidants, and hydration, this smoothie helps reduce belly bloat and keeps you full longer. 3. Metabolism Boosting Tea. Last but not least, a cinnamon green tea elixir, ideal for evenings or post-meal digestion. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup hot water, a few drops of stevia or honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Brew green tea. 2. Add cinnamon and ACV after it cools slightly. 3. Stir well and sip slowly. Benefits: this combo helps regulate blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support fat breakdown. Try one or all of these recipes and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a natural remedy from us.